Valen and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys this little mini room makeover that I did today, because normally on days that are cloudy and rainy like today, I would be doing homework, but because I am on spring break, I luckily don't have any work. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I got and how I decorated. So if you guys want to see it, then keep on watching this video.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take off all the pillow covers on my bed, because I bought some new ones that I want to put on from Restoration Hardware. So I'm just getting rid of these since they are dirty also, so I can just wash them. So now that all of it's off, I didn't get any new sheets, so I'm just going to put some regular sheets that I have and I'm going to put it on. But I did get a new duvet cover, which I'm going to put on, and then just some new pillow covers. So finally my room is done. So this is the first thing that you see when you walk into my room. Of course, the lovely Matilda, always on my bed, and she's always wanting to play. And then I have my new pillows on the bed, and yeah, everything is just so nice and clean and organized. As you guys saw before, here I just had a ton of random junk, so I just made sure to clean it out and get rid of what I don't need, and what I did use, I just put it up on my shelves.
I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then you guys know the drill. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up on this video. Also, if you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that red button down below. And if you want to go the extra mile, then don't forget to click that little bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!